White paper, cold ink, the words are drifting on the brink. I try to write your name once more, but the shadows gathered at the door. The silence is a heavy sound of all the things we never found. Oh, it's just an echo in the hall, a leaf that's waiting for the fall. I'm tracing lines you'll never see in a house that used to be for we. Bittersweet and velvet blue, just a ghost of me and you. Piano plays a lonely key, like a ship that's lost at sea. I fold the pages one by one, underneath a dying sun. The ink is dry, the story's old, but the secrets are still untold. Wait for me in the spaces in between, just a letter